Are you feeling frustrated in your job? Do you think that your job search has come to a standstill? Or do you think your career has come to a standstill? If these and similar kind of questions are coming to your mind, then you come to the right place. I am Sarabjit Satcher. I have developed a learning module which comprises of 18 in-depth videos called Sarabjit's Complete Job Search Tutorial. And together, we will learn unique methods and steps to make you stand out as a candidate so that you get your dream job. How to attract the attention of an employer. How do we ensure that instead of you searching for a job, the prospective employer comes searching for you? How to do research on a company in a unique way. As much information as you gather about the pain point, the business points about the company, you are far more better prepared and you are confident and you are differentiating yourself as a candidate from others. How to customize a cover letter. An impactful and a well-written cover letter can take you through this first level of screening to ensure that your resume is read. How to write a customized resume. Resume is much more than adding data. It should achieve the purpose of getting you that interview call. How to use LinkedIn effectively. LinkedIn as a platform really needs to be understood in detail for you to make use and meet your goal of getting that interview call. How to get a job through a recruitment agency. For that, we need to understand how a recruitment agency functions and what is it that will motivate a recruitment agency to present your candidature to its clients. How to network with prospective employers. What you need to do is develop relationships and invest in them with the potential hiring employers. How to do an impactful follow-up after sending your resume. Remember that without a follow-up, your entire effort will be just half done. There will be no interview call without a follow-up. Now, having done the research on the prospective employer company, let's move on to the section on interview questions. Question 1. Tell me something about yourself. No matter what industry you come from. But this one question is 100% guarantee that you will be asked in each and every interview. Question 2. Why should we hire you? This question especially can make or break your chances because you have to position yourself as a brand. What are your salary expectations? What are your salary expectations can be a very tricky question, and most of the times candidates fall prey to this. How would you handle a situation when a recently launched product is not picking up sales? You need to study the job description and make a note of all the key result areas, and on one side, write down all the examples where you have handled this kind of a situation successfully. Make a list of that. The question is, what are your strengths? Remember, the interviewer wants to know about your professional strengths. So we need to focus precisely on that. The question is, what are your weaknesses? What the interviewer wants to know that if there is any weakness that is directly going to impact the job, then it's a no-no. The question is, why do you want to leave your current job? The employer wants to know why do you want to leave your current job, and you need to tactfully answer this. The question is, the secret to calming your nerves. You just get one chance of an interview and you also need to maintain your nerves as calm as possible. The question is body language. Even if the candidate is most qualified, he gets rejected only on the grounds of his energy levels. Now what's energy? It's body language which actually emanates that. Follow up post the interview. It's important that you stand out as a candidate because most of the people lose this opportunity to impress the interview further. As they say, luck favors the prepared mind, and I'm sure with all these tools and techniques, you will be far more confident to face the job search process.